not a cloud in the sky to show this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus in a granite exterior. It rides on 18-inch Michelin Premier all-season tires. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Pacifica 287 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Pacifica seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. If you're in the driver or front passenger, you can get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. As we head into the odometer, it reads 25,945 kilometers. The Pacifica comes with the Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we hop into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to controls, you get heated front seats as well as a heated steering wheel. And then to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. This Pacifica comes with a tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of the Pacifica. You can choose to do it by the buttons here or on your Uconnect touchscreen. As we head to the second row, you have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as Sto N Go with lots of leg space. As we head into the third row, you have 3 more seats. If we look to the side, we have the third of your tri-zone climate control system. And for entertainment purposes, behind the front seats are your Uconnect entertainment systems. And once you're done in the back, you have a button right here that activates the power sliding door. Moving to the trunk area, there's plenty of cargo space. If you need any more, the third row is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. Once you're done in the back, you have another button activating the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring-L Plus. If you like what you see, I'd like to come down for a test drive. Or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler, get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.